Hey, it's David Griffin with SET Performance and Bully Dog. We're going to be showing you how to read and clear DTCs using your tuning device. First thing we want to do is plug your device into your OBD2 port using the provided OBD2 cable. The OBD2 port will be located on the driver's side under the kick panel. Okay, with your device plugged into your vehicle via the OBD2 port, you'll want to power up your device. And then you can see on the main screen, the bottom right, there's vehicle functions. Go ahead and select that. And then here you have read DTC codes and clear DTC codes. So pretty simple, you click on read DTC codes. It'll prompt you to turn the key on. Do not start vehicle. Then once you do that, it'll go through the reading code process. And if you have any active or pending fault codes, they will show up here. So you can see ours has no codes found. There are no active fault codes or stored fault codes on my vehicle. So we'll move forward and it'll prompt you to key off. Now if you do have active codes, it's going to actually tell you what the active codes are. So if we exit out of there, let's say we want to clear the DTC codes, that's the next option. We'll click on that. Again, it'll prompt you to turn your key on, and then it's going to prompt you to key off. And it's about as simple as that to clear the fault codes.